If you're over 60, you've probably noticed small things becoming harder, standing up quickly, walking in a straight line, or even balancing while getting dressed. These aren't just signs of aging, they're warnings from your body that your balance systems are weakening. But here's the good news, it's not too late to change that. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 scientifically supported exercises that target the hidden systems responsible for balance and mobility. These are not complicated workouts, they're gentle, purposeful movements designed for real life. Movements you can do in your living room in under 10 minutes a day. Each block of this video will demonstrate one key movement, what it is, why it works, and how to do it safely. This is a response to the hundreds of requests we've received for clearer, slower demonstrations. So today, no distractions, no fluff. Just clear guidance, shown step by step. If you're ready to regain confidence in your body, reduce your risk of falls, and move through life with greater ease, this is the perfect place to start. Let's begin. Let's begin with ankle circles, a deceptively simple movement that has powerful benefits. This exercise focuses on ankle range of motion, AROM, essential for walking stability and preventing trips on uneven surfaces. Start by lying down on your back with your legs fully extended. You don't need any equipment, just a flat, comfortable surface like a carpet or yoga mat. From this position, raise both feet slightly off the ground and begin to move your ankles in slow, controlled, clockwise circles. Do this for about 15-20 seconds, then pause and reverse the direction, making counterclockwise circles for another 15-20 seconds. The goal isn't speed, it's awareness. Focus on the circular motion and notice if one ankle feels stiffer than the other. This can tell you a lot about your gait and which side of your body might be compensating during walking. This movement stimulates the small, stabilizing muscles in your feet and ankles. These muscles help send signals to your brain about where your body is in space, a concept known as proprioception. The more accurate this signal, the quicker your body can adjust to prevent a fall. Repeat this movement twice per direction, once per day, and over time you'll notice better foot control and more fluid motion while walking. Now that our ankles are activated, let's stand up for the next drill and start engaging the whole body. This next movement wakes up your entire neuromuscular system. Marching in place with arm coordination isn't just about cardio. It builds rhythm, motor control, and left-right brain integration, all essential for mobility and balance. Stand up straight, ideally barefoot or in stable shoes, on a firm surface. Begin marching in place by lifting one knee up at a time, aiming to bring each one as close to hip height as is comfortable for you. As you do this, raise the opposite arm into the air, just like you naturally do when walking. This is called cross-patterning, and it's vital for reinforcing natural walking mechanics. Move slowly and deliberately. Don't just bounce, hold each lift for a second. Feeling the shift of weight in your standing leg. This activates your stabilizers in real time and improves your reaction to imbalance. Try doing this for 30 seconds at a time. Rest and repeat for 3 sets. Over time, as your confidence grows, you can increase the duration or even close your eyes briefly to challenge your balance, only if you're safe and stable. This exercise builds more than muscle. It builds neurological timing, making every step you take more stable and responsive. Now that you've got your whole body online, let's challenge your spatial awareness and precision with a backward balance walk. Backward tandem walking is a gold standard movement in balance rehab. It retrains your ability to control your center of gravity and develop confidence in spaces you can't see. Start by standing tall at one end of a clear, obstacle-free space. Ideally, next to a wall or counter you can use for support if needed. Visualize or place a straight line on the ground. Now walk backwards along that line by placing your heel directly behind your toe. With each step, like you're walking on a tightrope, but in reverse, move slowly and deliberately. As your foot reaches behind, Feel for the floor before placing it. This forces your body to engage fine motor control and ankle proprioception, especially in areas of your body you don't usually consciously engage. Keep your core gently activated and eyes looking forward or slightly down, never twisted. Your hands can be out to the sides for balance. Do this for 5 to 6 steps, then return to start. Complete 3 rounds. You may feel wobbly or unsure at first. That's good. It means your body is adjusting, strengthening, and relearning. The more frequently you do this, the more stable and confident you'll feel, especially in unexpected situations like stepping off a curb. Next, we'll practice how to transfer weight, the way your body naturally moves while walking. But this time, we'll do it with intention and awareness. This movement teaches your body to balance within a narrow base, a critical skill for transitions like walking, turning, or standing up from a chair. Stand in a natural walking position, one foot forward, the other slightly behind, with your arms relaxed by your sides. Your feet should feel firmly planted, creating a connection with the ground that feels like support, not strain. Now, begin to gently shift your weight forward, allowing your front foot to take more load. Then slowly shift back, transferring your weight to your rear foot. The key is to stay relaxed. Don't force the motion. And don't try to reach an endpoint. Just feel the motion as it flows through your body. You're not just moving, you're listening to your body. Pay attention to any stiffness in your knees, hips, or shoulders. Let go of unnecessary tension. Let your breath be easy. Repeat this motion for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then switch legs. This exercise does more than train movement. It improves body awareness. It helps your nervous system understand your base of support, which reduces overreactions that often lead to tripping or falling. We're almost done. Our final drill reinforces lateral stability, the side-to-side control that's often the first thing lost with age. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart. Let your arms hang loosely at your sides. Close your eyes for a moment and simply feel your feet pressing into the floor. Feel your head balancing over your shoulders, your spine gently lifted. Begin to slowly shift your weight to the right, allowing that leg to take most of the load. Then shift back through center and move to the left. There's no rush. Let the movement be smooth and fluid, not robotic or forced. As you do this, notice how your knees adjust, how your hips align, how your breath flows. The goal isn't to exercise, it's to reconnect with your balance. This is a core component of body awareness training, a field used in physical therapy and even high-level athletics. Practicing this side-to-side motion rebuilds the brain-body connection, reawakens balance reflexes, and helps prevent the most common falls, the sideways stumble. Repeat this for about 2 minutes. And if you'd like a challenge, try closing your eyes or adding a slight pause at each endpoint to deepen the control. With this final movement, you've now trained forward, backward, and side-to-side balance, your full foundation for safer, more confident movement. Let's wrap up. If you've followed along this far, congratulations. You've just completed a full-spectrum balance and mobility session. But this is just the beginning. These movements are powerful not because they're complex, but because they address how you move, not just what you do. And when practiced consistently, they rewire your nervous system, strengthen your stabilizers, and rebuild confidence. Here's your next step. Repeat these 5 movements daily, even if it's just for 5 to 10 minutes. Make them part of your routine. Put them on while the coffee brews, after your walk, or before bed. And if you want more help, we're preparing a follow-along daily video where you'll be guided in real time through each exercise. Plus, we'll release special editions for people with joint pain, dizziness, or seated-only needs. So don't miss those. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and share this with someone who needs it. One small daily action can prevent one big fall. Your future self will thank you. Stay strong, stay steady, and we'll see you in the next video.